Hey everybody, it's Dee from DOUBLEBEE Crafty Creations, and tomorrow is travel day. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do on the road. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Dee from DOUBLEBEE Crafty Creations, and we are on the road, and I bring some stuff with me so that I can have something to do while Dawn drives. And today I was doing pom-poms for some little Santa hats that I'm making. So I got these pom-pom makers off of Amazon, and I've made a couple of different sizes, but it don't really have a name on them, but it says Pro Links GmbH on the side. Anyway, they're okay, but they're kind of flimsy, so I think I'm gonna invest in some better brands. I haven't really done a whole lot of research. I've just taken up making these pom-poms. I used to make them by hand as a kid. I think we all did, but yeah. So I'm gonna make this one. Start by, I don't know if there's a right side to start on or a wrong side. I just pick one and try to end though on the right side so that I can loop the thread in through the other side. So just wrap. And I usually wrap it until I get to about the thickness, not to overlap the ends, which I just did. I did it on both sides. Anyway, until it looks like it's got a good portion of yarn on there, and I will meet back up with you after I get the amount on my pom-pom maker that I like. Okay, so I have it to almost even with this side. I guess I better turn it where you can see it. And then, just so you can get it shut pretty easily. Again, just play around with it. But I'm gonna wrap back. Sorry. See this. Anyway, I'm going to wrap back to the other side. Or am I? No, I'm not. I'm going to stay on this side, because then I'm going to feed the yarn into this little groove on the one side, and then just start wrapping the other side. It's kind of hard to get a good camera angle in the truck, but I think you get the gist of it. So I'm going to wrap this one up to about the same size as the other side, just eyeballing it, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so I think I've got this one the same thickness as the other side. I'm just eyeballing it. But I'm going to cut this, again, it's hard to see the camera angle, but I'm going to cut the one that I'll put over to the other side. And then I'm going to cut this working yarn and close it up like this. And I'm going to put my seatbelt on as to be safe.
All right.
And get you a good pair of scissors. Make sure they're sharp. And you just go into the little groove here. Start snipping. Maybe. Okay, let's go to the other side. That way I can hold that closed. You just cut down the center, but make sure you keep this closed or it'll be a hot mess. And go to the other side. Snip again. You need a pair of sharp scissors, which I don't think these are very sharp. Anyway, so that. I'm gonna snip this little piece and cut you a piece of yarn. That's probably too long. Go well. And then you wrap the yarn through this center. It's going to be hard for me to show you at this angle, but let me get it. Got open it up. So, kind of like a yo-yo. Then just tie it tight. So, pull it pretty tight. As tight as you can without breaking it. So there we go. Just do a knot. And I just go around the other side for it. And you just flip up these little doodads on both sides. And pull it apart. You got yourself a pom-pom. And you can trim it up. Yeah, this one definitely needs some trimming. So here you go. So I figured out you need some longer, sharper scissors for this part of it. Because it's pulling my strings out. So I'm going to let that be what it be. And put me some different scissors in the truck. So then for my little Santa hats, we'll do these in a video at some point as well. I'm just going to tie it through this little opening here. So. Sorry, not a good. Anyway, just tie a knot. excess. There you go.
We were cruising along and I realized I had not finished the video to making this pom-pom, and I'm very happy with it. Hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video.